How to change a light bulb on a Suzuki SV650 with round headlights. What you notice is you'll have two black bolts, which I loosened up so you could see. It's right there. There's one there. And on the other side, right over here. Once loosening those bolts, take them off. Two bolts. Slide the bottom out, and there, don't slide the top because there's a little lip there. See that lip there? Goes right there and there. It's that little lip there. That hooks on to that little ridge there. Right there. Once out, pop off the light. Right there. That removes your headlight. Pop off the rubber housing, and there you go. It's basically a 9003 headlight bulb for at any auto shop. In this place, I replaced it with halogen. It only goes in one way. Put it back on, reverse all your steps. Plug it back in. For that little lip there, that just tucks underneath. Slide the housing back in. And place the little screws on both sides. Test it out. There you go. Less than 5 minutes.